Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add filters on WhatsApp video call. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account and you will be on this page. Here, tap on these three dots and select Settings from drop-down menu. On this page, tap on Storage and Data. You will be on this page. Here, tap on Media Quality Upload and set it to HD quality. After that, go back and call any of your friend. You will see there is still no option to add filters on video call. So, close WhatsApp and open up your Play Store. Go to search bar and search for this particular app. Install this app on your device and apply any filter on your WhatsApp video call. So that's basically how you can add filters on WhatsApp video call. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.